All right, this is going to be part three of my ETF market update, and the last one is going to be the IWM, which follows the Russell 2000 or the small caps. And here we go. We're looking at a 5 year chart, and we're not. I'm showing you a weekly chart because first of all, I want to point out that just like the other one, the previous one, the Qs, we're not on this one. We're not piercing through the highs of 2007 yet, but I want to point out that on the on the actual moving average of the MACD, we're looking more bullish on this chart that we looked on the Qs, because on the IWM or the small caps, the movement or the moving averages are looking more parabolic, and they're making higher highs instead of already they're making higher highs instead of lagging a little bit behind, just like waiting for the price to move higher. Um, we on this chart we haven't made new highs on price yet, but the moving averages of the PPO or the MACD, I should say, are already making high highs, which is extremely bullish. Um, Let me go ahead and look. Move to the Go ahead and move to the daily chart, and on the daily chart, you can see that we're starting to pierce through the this 79.84, which I um, had this before, and this is a very strong resistance area, but um, I have confidence, I should say, that this is not going to be um, a big this is not going to be a big deal, because we're we already, first of all, on the stochastic, we're already on the overbought area. We're starting to hook back up to the overbought area, and um, the moving averages of the MACD, like I said before, they're um, they're making higher highs. So even though we haven't made new highs from the 2007 time frame like the other like the other chart, like I pointed out before on the Qs, um, it doesn't matter. This is a more bullish, in my perspective, a more bullish chart. Um, so this is this is going to be one of the sectors that I personally will be looking to to follow more closely, if you know what I mean, in the rest of the 2011. So that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this. This is only learning purposes type of videos, and again, until next time, thank you for listening. This is directionalanalysis.com.